Debbie here. So glad that you tuned into my channel, Southern Delight. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and today we're going to go ahead and get a jump start on the new year. We only have just a couple of days away and it's going to be 2020. It's hard to believe that this year's already gone by, and it was a good one. So what I would like to do today is to go ahead and show you how to make a wonderful wreath for the year 2020. Go ahead and kick off the new year. And I was looking around for some inspiration, and what I came up with was, I know the traditional New Year's, a lot of people use a lot of gold, silver, and black, and I do have an idea for that, but I'm going to show that in my second video because I put a really special twist on that one. So, but while I was out looking around, I did hit the Dollar Tree, and they gave me this wonderful idea. A lot of people are using Mardi Gras colors, which are your typical purples and greens, and the little Mardi Gras mask, and I thought, oh, what a wonderful way to go ahead and celebrate and bring in the new year. And I've actually been to Mardi Gras many years ago, and I have to say it's a wonderful place to be, and the culture is just so rich and just so wonderful. I mean, there's just a wonderful blend and mix of people and cultures down there, and it was so exciting. I actually went to the Mardi Gras back in the day, and it was an experience that I will remember for a lifetime. But what I did pick up at the Dollar Tree was they have these wonderful little masks hanging around for people who are doing little masquerade parties and so forth. And these are just some that I had picked up so that I can make some New Year's wreaths. I thought this would be a really good idea for a New Year party if you're planning one for your family and so forth. And that these are just great for the kids as well and grown-ups alike. But I ended up picking up some masks. And I picked up this purple one. Then I picked up these little horns here, little noise makers. And then I picked up some beads while I was in there. And then had some ribbon on hand already. But they also had some mesh in there. And a lot of times I don't use Dollar Tree mesh, but for this project I thought I just need something really quick and simple and easy to do. So what I did, if you haven't already seen my video, I have a video down in my playlist, and I'll go ahead and put it down below, and this one also on how to make a basic mesh wreath. Same technique, the only difference is I used Dollar Tree mesh. I got a Dollar Tree wreath, and then I got a roll of green 4-inch mesh from the Dollar Tree and purple 4-inch mesh from the Dollar Tree. So this right here, I've got like $3 in this. And then I had some pipe cleaners, and I used those to tie these on the backs. But what I'm going to go ahead and show you guys is how I'm putting together my New Year's wreath. And I went ahead and I've done this ahead of time to try to speed up the process, because today I'm going to try to download 2 videos. Like I said, I have another one in store for you behind this one. So if you hadn't done so already, you might want to go down below and click the subscribe button so you can subscribe to my channel so you can catch all of these. And also, if you like what I'm doing, if you'll put some comments down below, or if you don't like what I'm doing, you can tell me what I'm doing wrong if you want to, and put those in the comments below. I could always use some pointers on how to do things and so forth, because I am still learning. Alright, well, this is what we've got so far. And I just used half of the purple here and half of the green here. I had so many beautiful masks to choose from, but for this color scheme, I'm very fond of this one. I just love this purple wreath, which I'm fond of this one too. I actually loved all of them, so that's why I got so many. I'm going to make a couple of wreaths. But this one I thought was very pretty. But once I've got that, I'm going to take this, and it's wonderful because it's already got this where you can tie it here on the back, and I'm just going to tie this to it. I'm going to go ahead and tie it tight and then put it in a knot. And you can secure this. I have some floral wire and my clippers also, so if I need to secure something a little bit tighter, that I can do that. We probably will. We're going to take a couple of pieces and probably wire this in. And I also went ahead and I pre-made the bow as well, and I have a video on that. And it's on how to make a bow for a fall wreath, but you can go down in the playlist and you can find it there, because I used the same technique. I just swapped what color ribbon I used, and then I made this one here. This is just some of the old ribbon that I had from a prior project, but you can get ribbon at the Dollar Tree, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, wherever, and just get it to suit your taste. And that's what the joy of all this is there's so much floating around, and you don't necessarily have to use these colors. Like, I had picked this one up. I thought this would be another cute one with these same colors, but then you've got gold for that typical, if you want to do the gold, silver, and black New Year's. That's wonderful. This one I just love because I love leopard. I mean, this was just gorgeous. I just done that one. I'm going to keep that one for myself. But they're just absolutely beautiful little masks. Alright, we've got that, and I'm going to go ahead and I'll wire this down in place. Just bear with me for a minute while I do this. Let's fold it down. But I'm just taking it through the eyes here, and I'll probably secure it. You can secure it in both places or just wherever you feel it's needed. That's how I'm laying it out. And then I found these cute little beads. When I was in Mardi Gras, we actually went with the band. Yes, I was in the band. I was on the dance line, and we got to march in one of the Mardi Gras parades. And I'll tell you what, it was quite an experience. While we were marching in the band, we had people that would just come up to us while we were dancing. We were actually, we had flags, and we would march down with our flags and perform. And while we were doing our performance, people would come up to us and put beads and so forth around our necks. Like I said, it was quite an experience. Alright, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take and secure this. And then I'm just going to weave it kind of in and out. And I'm going to use the metal bracket part to go in and out of when I'm weaving it, so that it holds it a little bit securely. Just kind of drape it through like so, just to give it some color in here. We're just using this like we would ribbon, basically. And then I'm going to take some wire and just wrap it around the two little edges to kind of secure it and put it in place. But I chose green to go with my purple. You can use any color that you like. think I'm going to do one more color. And to add more color to it, I'm going to choose the gold over that purple. I'm going to run this. And I'm going to run this one in the exact opposite direction than what I did on the first one. This bow in, I'm just trying to fluff it out a little bit. And I bought these. I was going to kind of put these around in here. If you wanted more color, you can do that. But I think I'm content with the way this one turned out like that. But you can kind of add them in if you want a little bit more fullness and color. But I just wanted something just kind of simple and easy to put together for New Year's. And this is what I have. I think I've got $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 in this. Like I said, it's a fun, easy project. Doesn't take very long to do. And what a wonderful way to start the new year. But thank you and see you next time.